Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger, pushing each other to the limits. We were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. Always had that dream like my daddy before me, so I started.
Rejoice and love yourself today, cause baby, you were born this way.
No matter gay, straight or bi, lesbian, transgender life, I'm on the right track, baby, I was born to survive. No matter black, white or beige, July or Orient made, I'm on the right track, baby, I was born to be brave. I'm gonna fall in my way, cause God makes no mistakes. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Don't judge yourself and regret, cause love yourself and yourself. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way, yeah. Oh, there ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. Baby, I was born this way, born this way. There ain't no other way, baby, I was born on the right track, baby, I was born this way. I was born this way, hey, I was born this way, hey, I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way, hey, I was born this way, hey, I was born this way, hey, I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way, hey.
Mi amore, espresso macchiato, 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 por favore, espresso macchiato, corneo. Mi amore, espresso macchiato, 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 por favore, espresso macchiato. Espresso macchiato. Ciao bella, I'm Tommaso, addicted to tobacco. Me like me coffee, very importante. No time to talk, scusi, my days are very busy. And I just own this little ristorante. Like me give you lemons when dancing with the demons. No stress, oh no stress, no need to be depressed.
Happy birthday, Merit. Kitos for everything, because you've been such a beautiful person to get to know, and you've been such a beautiful person to spend time with. Your integrity and your beauty are just amazing. So here's to 50 years of fun and
the best
love.
wife?
I don't know if she's the best wife because I'm not married to her. And I'm unlikely to be married to her. So my thing is, here's to 50 years of an amazing life, and I just hope the rest of another 50 years of joy and love and laughter, because you really are a good person, and it's nice to know that people like you still exist.
Mary, ciao. Hey, I really wish you a happy birthday. You're a wonderful friend, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. And keep going. I mean, you made it up to 50. I would say you can make another 50. And yeah, happy birthday. Wonderful merit. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Merit, Happy birthday to you. This is Jo from London, Magda in Poland. Sadly, she's not with me, and sadly, we're not there with you celebrating and having a massive glass of champagne or a few G&Ts with you. But no doubt you are having a fabulous birthday weekend, celebrating with Marion, Kat, and all your amazing friends. Thank you so much for organising Gran Canaria Sunshine Open, which has been absolutely amazing. So pleased to have met you a couple years ago, and long may we continue the tradition of coming to see you, play with you, and being part of your fantastic tournament. But all the best from Magda and I. Have a wonderful birthday weekend. Ciao.
A little bird tells me that. What's it saying? Oh, you're 40? Well, I know it's a big birthday one way or another, and I just wanted to say I hope you have the most fabulous time. You're the most wonderfully intelligent, beautiful, kind and caring human being that I've ever met, and I'm so grateful to count you as one of my friends. Lots of love, and be sure we'll have a drink and raise a glass for you over here in England. All the very best, celebrate in style. I know you will. Oh, and apparently you're the best wife as well, apparently. Don't know where I got that from. Take care and have a wonderful, wonderful time, and I'll speak to you soon. Much love.
Yes, hello. I love you, all your dogs. I'm walking them at this moment, so live long. Cheers.
Tere Merit! Mina siin Jossu Rahvusringhäälingust ja soovin sulle siit mitte veel eriti suvisest Eestist sinna väga suvisele Gran Canariale palju õnne sünnipäevaks, ikka jõudu, ikka jaksu sinu tegemistes ja elus üleüldse.
Tšau Merit, kuidas läheb? Pole ammu näinud. Kas sa mäletad vanu häid aegu Evergreenis? Kahju, et elame nüüd eri riikides ja ei saa teineteist näha, aga ma tõesti loodan, et ühel päeval kohtume uuesti. Palju õnne sünnipäevaks! Ja olgu sinu tänane sünnipäev täis rõõmu, tervist ja armsad hetki koos lähedastega. Tšau, Natalja Brüsselist.
Õnne soovime sul, palju õnne, kallis Merit. Täna soovime sul, hip-hip hurraa! Palju õnne, kallis Merit. Loodetavasti on sul kõik ilusasti. Saad muudkui nooremaks, jääd muudkui ilusamaks. Olen siin suvilas, teeme tööd, aga siiski tahan saata sulle südamlikud, suured, soojad õnnesoovid. Igal juhul palju õnne ja kui peaksime nägema, siis kallistan. Tšau!
Kallis Merit, meie kallis hea sõber, kes alati on meid vastu võtnud, kellele külla minekut me ootame. Ja praegu me oleme siin küll, nagu paistab, Prantsusmaal, Bretagnes, aga peame sind meeles, võtame õhtul, lööme klaasid šampanjat kokku sinuga, aga ei ole enam kaua oodata ja pidu jätkub, kui me kohale tuleme. Sinu kord.
Kallis Merit, palju õnne sulle. See on lihtsalt üks number passis. Sa oled üks igavesti noor, väga hea sõber, ilus inimene seest ja väljast. Oled kõige parem võõrustaja, ääretult tähelepanelik. Kõike head sulle. Ole tubli. Ja me ootame pikki silmi 4. septembrit. Ja siis tuleb juba afterparty. Palju õnne, kallis Merit.
Tšau Merit.
Tšau Merit.
Palju õnne.
Palju õnne.
Ootame tähistamist.
Palju õnne, et oleks tore, et oleks lõbus, et oleks raha, et oleks armastust, et oleks kõike, mida sa soovid ja et pidu käiks ja juba nii väga tahame tulla ja kallistama. Ja eks me varsti tuleme. Nii et ilusat pidu, varsti näeme. Tšau!
Tere Merit! Täna on üks mega tähtis päev. Sinu sünnipäev
ja teine sama tähtis päev oli see, kui me sinuga kunagi Gran Canarial kohtusime. Et nende 2 päeva eest olen ma mega tänulik, sest tänu esimesele ei oleks juhtunud ka teist. Nii et sünnipäeva puhul soovin ma sulle täna hästi palju head õnne, et õhtu oleks lõbus. Ja mul on väga kahju, et ma ei saa seal olla. Ma olen hoopis Tais, nagu sa tead, ja võib-olla ka natuke aimad, kus küll on natuke ilusam taevas kui Eestis. Aga see ei ole tähtis, et hetkel tõstan sinu terviseks Tai õlle. Siin ka, meil nii peeneid kokteili siin veel ei ole, ma ei ole vähemalt leidnud. Ja soovin teile hästi lahedat õhtut ning järgmine kord, kui tuleme, siis tähistame sinu sünnipäevaga natuke järgi. Nii et palju-palju õnne sulle, ole sama särtsakas, lõbus, hea südamlik, tore inimene. Musid kallid.
Tere Merit, üks meenutus lapsepõlvest. Vanemate magamistuba, sina suurel voodil, just sünnitushaiglast tulnud, koos suure Jaapani nukuga, kes on vaata et suurem kui sina. Sina veidi pilusilmne, veidi tõmmu, nii et tädi Mare ütleb, et see näeb välja nagu Kikimura. Nimi, mis saatis sind läbi beebipõlve. Kas tõesti on Kikimura tänaseks saanud 50? Palju õnne ja edu sulle, kallis õde! Palju õnne sünnipäevaks!